Alright guys, we're back. This one, I already kind of unboxed it a little bit. I was excited, but wanted to show you guys some stuff. So this is a brand new amp from Metra Powersports. Really cool little amplifier here. Brandy new, can be used in motorcycles, side-by-sides, basically anything you need, something that's extremely durable, waterproof, shock resistant, all of that stuff for all you crazy side-by-side drivers out there. Everything's sealed on these. Really cool little unit because this one's a little bit different. This is a 5-channel. So not too often are we seeing 5 channels in Powersports amps. So this is kind of a new one. So kind of open this up here. We'll show you some stuff. Not real big. Basically a little over, it's like 11.5 inches on here. It's only about 4.5 inches wide. Really cool, just sleek looking black amplifier. You can see everything's completely sealed on the bottom of this guy here. So power and ground are directly in. Our subwoofer wires, all of our speaker outputs are all here. So really really cool little piece here with it all, you know, basically built right in. So you know, they give you about 8 foot of power, 8 foot of ground on this guy, and really small, really compact. So we've also got a kind of a DIN style input plug here. They do give you a 6 foot extension for that. It's going to plug in, extend out, and then it's also going to basically come into our next section of the plug, and it's going to give you all of your RCA inputs. I'll go ahead and open this up so you can see a little bit better. So there's your DIN plug, 6 RCA ins, there's your remote turn on wire, all built into that plug. So it's all going to come basically right from your source unit. And then they give you a really nice waterproof fuse holder with the Allen key already attached to it. So really cool little piece here. I haven't quite figured out how to open it up because I just opened the box and I don't remember yet. But 8 gauge in, 8 gauge out, fuses in it, completely sealed unit. Really cool little piece here that they give you the Allen key also with it. It's awesome. So I'll give you a whole pack of zip ties to keep it nice and safe. Other than that, basically we've got a book, got Allen keys to take off the cover, because you do have a cover on here for all of our settings. Crossover does have subsonic also built in for that sub channel. Sub channel is 2 ohm stable. See if I can get you guys some specifications on here as well. See if you can see those. So 80 RMS now, continuous power by 4 at 4 ohm. 220 RMS at 4 ohm for the subwoofer channel, 125 RMS at 2 ohm, and 350 RMS for that sub channel. So plenty of power for any woofer you'd want to run on a side-by-side or even in a boat. Think of it as a boat application. Also be a great little option for a 5-channel that's nice and small. So plenty of power, 250 watts RMS if you do a front and rear bridge. So if you were just doing like say on a boat, you know, 2 tower speakers and a woofer, you know, you can give them 250 RMS at 4 ohm. So it'd be plenty of power again for just 2 tower speakers and a woofer. So really nice sealed unit, IPX6 rated, 18 dB crossovers on the sub. Does have subsonic as well from 10 to 55. You can see that there, which is really nice. So it takes up to 5 volts of input, 80 amps worth of current draw. So not a lot on that, especially being a 5-channel. So this is a Metra Powersports. Again, really cool little amplifier, brand new, that these just came out a little while ago. So full range Class D technology on this, but really great, teeny tiny little amplifier. And I wouldn't say teeny tiny, but it's definitely much smaller than you would get in a normal 5-channel. So definitely a great little option to think about, guys, if you're doing boat, side-by-sides, all that stuff. This particular one is going to be replacing a factory amplifier for us and a Mercedes that was a factory 5 channel. So we're going to be replacing it with this because he wanted to stay somewhat cost effective in an amplifier, and you know, still have some good power. Had the Bose system in it. So yeah, so just think about it for all your side-by-side options, boat options, some really, you know, kind of could put it in anything. I'm putting it in a Mercedes right now. So, but if you guys have any questions, let me know. We will be getting this working probably before this is up, but I will let you guys know. I'll give you a thumbs up or thumbs down, or you know, whatever it is I think of it. This is our first time installing one of these, so if you like the video, like, subscribe, share, ring the bell. I'm going to be doing a bunch of unboxing videos for a bunch of audio stuff. So I've been audio tech for over 20 years. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. Comment. Let me know. Tell me what you think. And keep it rocking, guys.